Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install xciptv Love TV to Android TV. Right, so this is really easy thing to do. First of all, first thing we must do is prepare our device for installing the downloader application. Right, so this is a downloader application. If you don't know about this, you can just go to Play Store or App Store or Amazon Store, from where you can just download this downloader. Now here you have to type a number, right? So the number is basically in the search bar. You have to type this number in the URL. Let me show you in this section. The number is 227869, and once you type this number, wait for the application to download. As you can see here, it's downloading, and once it get download, you have to click on install, which is here. Click on install, and the installation will take a few seconds of your time, so you have to wait patiently and then just go and click on open. When first launching TV, you are prompted to enter login information from your live TV service, which is here. Then you have to log in into this in your account. And once you log in into your account, as mentioned previously, this can be done with an Extreme Codes API. The information can usually be found in the confirmation email from your provider. And then you have to click on allow. So once you click on allow, you will be here. You have successfully set up your xciptv with your preferred live TV services, right? And this is how it's done. It's really easy, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.